Okay. Good morning, students. How are you? I think you are fine at home. First of all, I am congratulating you, everybody. You are promoted from 5th class to 6th class. Once again, congratulations, all the children who promoted from 5th class to 6th class. My dear children, in up to 5th class, different, 6th is different. In the 6th class, in high school level, automatically the subjects were divided. Example, social sciences, particularly social sciences. In your 5th class, you learnt EVS 1, EVS 2, that is called environmental science 1 and environmental science 2. But in high school level, these are separate subjects. Science is a separate subject, social studies is also separate subject. In your EVS 1 in high school, it is called as a social. It is a science. EVS 2 means science, EVS 1 means social. So, this is the situation. Listen, I can ask you some questions. Easily you may answer. Do you like play? Yes, every children likes play. Cricket, kabaddi, tennis and shuttle badminton, etc., etc., etc. Where do we play? In the playground. Otherwise, at home, your streets and some places you have to play. Yes. Where do we play? Yes, generally how to say answer? That is in the playground. Some students play in the parks, municipal parks are there. Yes. One more question I am asking you. Where do we live? Where do we live? Yes, we live on the earth. We live on the earth. Along with the human beings, some other living beings are living along with us. That is animals, trees, birds, etc., etc. All these living beings are also living along with us on the earth. Can you observe the earth? What is the shape of the earth? Yes. Now we are going to learn about what is the shape of the earth. Our lesson is globe, a model of the earth. Globe, a model of the earth. Today we are going to learn something about earth. What is the shape of the earth? What are the main characteristics of the earth? Yes, we can learn. Listen. On the earth, you have different kinds of things are there. Listen, in this EVS 1, we learn about social studies. It is also called social science. Yes, EVS 2. What is the meaning of EVS? Environmental science 1 and 2. Listen. Globe is a model of the earth. Globe is a model of the earth. Yes. How it becomes a round? Why the scientists accepted the globe is a model of the earth? Do you know? Can you see the entire earth? We can't see. We can't see. Why? Earth is not a small one. It is a large. Earth becomes a large. So, we can't see. We can't see on the entire earth. We can't see the entire earth. So, the scientists told the earth is the spherical in shape. What is spherical? Spherical means round. Spherical means round. This is the object. So, what is a globe? That question. What is a globe? What is globe? Globe is representing the earth. The globe is answer. What is a what is the globe? Yes, globe is represents representing the earth. Once again, one question. What is globe? Globe is nothing but globe is representing the earth. What is representing model? What is representing model? Yes. What is the model? Globe. Globe representing earth. Understand? Once again, globe is representing the earth. That means the earth is the spherically in shape. Earth is spherical in shape. Representing means it is a model. Globe is a model. To whom? To earth. What is model? Globe. That means globe is model of the earth. Do you know? Globe is the model of the earth. Understand? What is on the earth? What is on the earth? Yes. The earth contains land, water, continents, and countries of the world. Listen, land, water, continents and countries of the world. Land we live, water we drink, continents is a landmass, big landmass. Countries of the world, you know the number of countries. That means the earth was divided into different continents. A large bodies of earth surface is called as continent. Countries of the world, many countries in the world. Example, India, China, yes, England and USA, that means America. Once again, what are the objects on the earth? Yes, land, water, continents, countries of the world. That means on the land we are living. Land is nothing but earth is also. Listen, we live on the land, water we drink, without water we can't live. And big landmass, it is divided into divisions of the earth. Continent means divisions of the earth. And countries like India, China, England, America, so on. Different countries are there. So, these are the introduction about the land, earth. That means the earth is spherical in shape. Earth is spherical in shape. 600 years ago, the people think the earth is flat in shape. Flat means just like a map. This is ball. This is flat. Understand? The earth is spherical in shape. This is like a ball. The earth is spherical in shape, like a ball. It is called a globe. The shape of the globe is also like that. So, because of that, we can see the earth, we can't see the earth, entire earth you can't see. How can you say the earth is spherical in shape? How can you say the earth is spherical, just like round, like a ball? Is earth still stand like you? We can stand like this. But what about the earth? Earth never still. The earth always rotate. Rotate means just like round. It is rotate, moving. The earth is always moving. Do you know, if earth is moving, but why can't we fall down? Can you observe? If the earth, what I told, according to the scientists, earth is spherical in shape. That means just like a ball. Earth like a ball. I am going rubbing off. Earth like a ball. This is the shape. Yes, yet this is just like a ball. Yes. This is the map. It is a flat in shape. Do you know the earth is always moving, it does not stand still. Suppose if earth is not rotate, what will happen? Can you think? One more question. If earth is always rotate continuously without stop, why can't we fall down? We are playing, we are jumping, we are walking, we are riding the cycle, we drive the car and motorcycles. Suppose if it is always moving, why can't we fall down? Why can't we fall down? Can you observe? Can you think? Yes, we never fell down. We can do our work as usual, walking and running and playing and other things we are doing on the earth. So, but why is the reason behind that? What is the reason behind that? Why the people may not fall down while we are going on the earth, while we are walking on the earth, while we are playing? At that time, why can't we play? Yes, certainly correct. You stand, your father is walk in the office, your father is going by cycle or motorcycle, he never fall down because earth have magnetic power. The earth have magnetic power. It is earth pull us towards. The earth is pulling us towards. Understand once again? Earth is round in shape like a ball. This is the shape. Before 600 years ago, all the people and some scientists believed the earth is flat in shape. Yes. In 1400 AD, 1400 AD, the same scientist proved earth is spherical in shape. Yes, because of the magnetic power, the earth have a powerful magnet. Because of the magnetic power, we can't fall down while we are walking or jumping or running and playing, whatever it may be. Yes. Suppose, this is one. I can tell you one more example. I can prove you the earth is just like a ball or spherical in shape. I can explain. How? Listen. Yes, afterwards I can explain. In 1400 AD only the scientists and the people are believed and accepted the earth is spherical in shape because Christopher Columbus, he was an Italian traveler. He reached He discovered sea route to America. He discovered sea route to America, that is 1492. He discovered America. He discovered America. Yes, actually, he hoped he reached India. Actually, that is not India, that is Caribbean islands he reached, the very nearer to America. Afterwards, another Italian traveler, Amerigo Vespucci. Amerigo Vespucci. Yes, after Christopher Columbus, Amerigo Vespucci discovered America. Because of on his Amerigo, the present day we are calling America. We are calling America. This is information. Once again, one more information I will give, that I am going to rubbing off. Listen, this is the earth. This is the earth. I told earth is magnetic power. How the earth become a spherical in shape, and how it became a magnetic power, why the man cannot fall, that means, yes, I can show you some something that earth becomes a ball, like a ball. Listen, on the earth any point, of course this is an North Pole, later I can explain about these things. On the earth, if any person start here, automatically any place at any point, automatically the person may reach the first point where he started. The person may start. That means on the earth, if any person A, the person A traveled, on the earth, he may come back to the here only, because the person A, the person B, the person C, whoever it may be, the person C. Suppose person A started this point. Yes, he traveled through earth, finally he reached, he come back to the first point where he was traveled. That is the person B. He may also travel on the earth. Finally, he round the earth and he reached the first point. It is one principle. That means the earth is spherical in shape. Suppose not like that. The earth is flat. Yes. If the person A travel like this, automatically he may fall down. Here. Understand or not? The person A travel. This is the difference between, it is just like a map. Map is just like a flat. So earth is not like a map. Earth is a spherical in shape. It is not the rectangular shape. It is a spherical in shape. So the person who travel from this point, the person must come back to the same point where he started in the beginning there only. So that is one of the point. It can prove the earth is spherical in shape. And second important point I can show you. This is the earth. This is the earth. Yes. You take torchlight, you focus light on the earth. You focus light on this is the torchlight. You focus light on the earth. Only half portion receives light. This is darkened part. Take our example. This is shape of the earth. Shape of the earth. It is round in shape. What is the shape of this object? You feel it is a ball. You feel it is a globe. If you focus light on this, only half of the portion may receive light. So this is called as a lightened portion is called a day. It is called as the light. The lightened portion is called as day. This is called night. This is a darkened portion. Understand? Suppose if you focus light on this map. Suppose this is the shape of the map. If you focus the light, torchlight focus, automatically the entire place may receive the light. That means the earth, what this shows, the earth is spherical in shape, no doubt at all. You must accept, although scientists are also accepted, the earth is spherical in shape. Understand? Suppose if the person A travel from here to there after some time, automatically he may fall down, because if it is in the shape. So our earth is not like that. Our earth is just like a ball. So the person may start any point on the earth. Finally he round the earth and reached the same point where he started. So this is the shape of the earth. It is some introduction to the earth itself. Okay.